this one is one of those problems that doesn't really fit with how I've taught it before. It's a little more advanced. It says a salesman sold 25% of his daily goal. So I'm going to write 25% of his goal. Now, the question you ask is, do we know his goal? And the answer is no. It says he sold $600 worth of his merchandise. So this is the setup. 25% of the goal is equal to 600. So now you've got to put this in a mathematical formula. I'm going to change the percent to a decimal, 0.25. All right. Now, of is times, and then goal, I'm going to make a variable. So I'm going to call it x equals 600. Now, again, I changed the 25% to 0.25, of is times, and then goal is that x. I could have used y or m or w. Now, to get x by itself, I've got to divide by the number beside the x, which is 0.25. And I got to do it to both sides. Now, once I divide 0.25 times divided by 0.25, that goes to 1. So I can just kind of get rid of that. So now x equals 600 divided by 0.25, which gives you 2,400. Okay, so there's my answer. Now let's see if it makes sense. 25% of the goal, which we figured out to be 2,400, this number here, equals 600. So that's kind of like saying a fourth of 2,400 is 600, and indeed that works. So his goal was 2,400, and he sold $600 worth of merchandise. So his goal was 2,400. 25% of that is 600.